Everyone, so in this video I will be demoing the healthware.healthcare and my experience with them, what features I have implemented here. So let's start from the beginning. So when we come to the patient record, we have several tabs here in this menu. Okay, so let me tell you what I have done. So I have worked on clinical assessment, care plan, clinical notes, clinical instructions, rehabilitation plan, billing, patient calendar, and there will be one more tab, chats. When the patient will have, and I will have the access of chat, I will be able to view that chat tab. Okay, so if currently I am not a part of this patient clinical attending clinicians, that's why I am not able to view the chat of this patient. If I will come here and in the attending clinician, if I will add myself, Jason MacArthur. Okay, so yeah, now it's added, and now if I will come here, I will be able to see that chat here. Okay, so yeah, this is how it works. So I have worked on these tabs, and each tab is a different feature. So now let me explain my most recent features. So one is the care plan and another is the chat feature. So okay, so if I am in the patient record, that's the task, and the chat and everything is related to this patient only, but I can access the task from here and patient calendar from here and the chat from this point. Okay, so this all will be general, like for all patient tasks I can which are assigned to me or I am a part of, I can view from here. I can view my calendar for all the patients from this point, and the chat of all these all chats from this point. Okay, so let's start from the specific task. Okay, so here I have the options to create a task. Once I will create a task, for example, I have the options to select the frequency, for example 2x daily. So I will select 2 time slots for regular basis until the patient gets discharged. Okay, I will select the task. I need to select it from the fixed list. Okay, I need to enter the time that is required to complete the task. Created for users, which user will be assigned to this task, and we have the concept of groups, which contains a set of users, so that we can assign directly to the group and they will be responsible to perform this task. Then I can add this. I need to assign some what is saying frequency and activity. Okay, time required, I need to add the time required field. Now it's added here. Similarly, I can select many tasks. Once I have done, I will hit save and it will create a care plan task, and it at night the cron job will run and it will create a subtask of this parent task, and that will appear here in the care task menu. Whether it will be care task or kitchen task based on the task type, which is default set. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, assisted feed, it's from 11 5 11 5 11 5. So and for the different dates, so it must have the 2x daily frequency, and 5 and 11 time slot must have selected. Okay, so yeah, this is how it works. If I come in the kitchen task, I will get this similar result but the different task type. Okay, we have the something called requested task or clinical instruction. This is a one time task. I can create it from here. It will be assigned to users, very similar to the care plan, but it will be one time task. Once the task is done, it will be archived. When I will complete it, it will be archived and marked as done. Okay, so yeah, this is the care plan. And if I come to the chat, we have several features. First of all, we have several types of chats. For example, this is a patient chat. All the attending clinicians will have the access to this chat, and it, it also contains the system generated message. For example, new patient, when the patient is added, this message will be sent, and when the patient is admitted, this message will be sent. Like so there are so many other messages triggers when we perform such specific activity in the application. Okay, so apart from that, we have the options to attach the attachments. We can send the voice notes. We have seen messages and mentions in the messages. I can mention the users. Okay, so they will get the notifications on their Android or iOS app, and in the browser as well. Okay, so yeah, this is a real time using sockets.io. And then if I come to the generic chat, I have the chat list. Okay, so this is a personal chat where we get the login alerts that when we have login using IP. So okay, and after that we have the patient chats, we have the personal one-to-one chats, then we have the group chat. For example, in the all clinical user in a specific branch of the hospital. Okay, so we have the groups. So in the group we have different discussions. Okay, when the user is mentioned, we get the alerts in the messages. Okay, so yeah, this is how it works. And lastly we have the custom group chat where we can add the users, give it a name and save. So these are 4 different types of chats: custom, group, patient and personal one-to-one chat. Okay, so yeah, this is how chat feature works. And if I come to the calendar, we have different events for this particular users. For example, I have a task, so if I have a double click, it will open it. So I can add the comments here so that all the users will be able to see the comments related to this particular task. Okay, so yeah, this from this point, this is for all the patient. And if I come to any patient record, then it will be specifically for this particular patient. And apart from that, I can filter the patients and also search for the users. Okay, so for example, if I will search for Nikki, then it will fetch it and mark the combine events. So this is for the JSON. If Nikki have some event, then it will mark it as an orange or some different colors. Okay, so yeah, this is how it works. And if I come to care task, it has all the patient tasks. As you can see, it has a patient list and the task. So from this point we can know for which user it is created or for which group it is created. So yeah, this is how it works. I think I have covered all the features. So yeah, this is the most recent features: care plan, calendar and the chat messages so of this project. So yeah, thank you so much.